Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how to cook a turkey joint in the air fryer. One here, they're fantastic for quickly throwing in the air fryer and perfect for the smaller portion size this Christmas. So in them, you get a lovely, cute little 500 gram, which if you're in the US is just over £1 of turkey breast, and it's perfect for just loading up, and it's so moist. I've cooked a few of these now, and I'm a bit addicted. So, get your air fryer basket out, and then it'll look like this, and what you want to do is you want to cook it breast side down first. So put it upside down in your air fryer. Just going to wipe my hands a sec. And then give the top of it a spray with some olive oil. This is for two reasons. First of all, it stops your turkey from being dry, and secondly, it gives the seasoning something to stick to. So then once you've done that, salt, pepper, and then any of your favourite dried herbs will do. The one I'm going with is some mixed herbs. Mixed herbs, dried thyme, dried sage, any of those work really well. And then these originally come packaged with some dried rosemary. The rosemary just burns too much if cooked with the turkey, so I've removed this, but you could use some dried rosemary if you want. I'll serve it with some rosemary. It's totally up to you. So now we just need to set the time and temp. So you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 15 minutes, and then we can turn it over. A word of warning though, don't air fry it in these, because we find that the turkey breast, the skin sticks to it too much and just comes off and goes dry. It works better if it's directly cooked in the air fryer. So like I said, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 15 minutes, start, and I'll see you soon. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fryer plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So should we check on our turkey and flip it over? Oh, look at that. Turkey already. Doesn't it look amazing? So I find the easiest way, fork in, fork out. Position it however you want in your basket. And of course you can cook your sides with it if you want to, because you've got a lot of space around here. If that's your thing, do check out our air fried chicken dinner, and we also have the chicken dinner in full in our first cookbook, the complete air fryer cookbook. So you know you can do that, or I've also got in our second book, Air Fry Easy Every Day, doing it with just some sliced turkey steaks, which is perfect for if you're cooking for one this Christmas. So lots of ideas there for you. So now I'm just going to season the other side. Because the skin and the fat that you've got on it, you don't actually need to oil the other side. So salt, pepper, and then whichever seasoning you fancy on the other side. I'm making it interesting, and I'm adding some parsley to the other side. I'm addicted to the parsley from M&S because it's so green and gorgeous, and it just fits in very well with this time of year. So now back on again, and it's going to be 10 minutes, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then press start. And then we can be back in 10 to check on the gorgeous turkey. And we've beeped. So shall we check on our turkey? Oh wow, look at that. Isn't that turkey beautiful? Oh wow, look at that. It even fits on a fork. So now what you want to do is you want to give your turkey a chance to rest. And then whilst it's resting, you can be preparing your other sides that you're doing with it. We've got lots of different videos for Christmas food in the air fryer that you can pair with it. Though this video is just aimed at those that just want to know about the turkey, so bear that in mind. So let's get it wrapped up, shall we? Roll of foil. And then break some off for your turkey. And then wrap your turkey tightly in foil. And then we can come back to this lovely little foil packet of turkey in a bit when it's chance to cool down, and then we can slice it and I can show you what it's like on the inside. So the turkey breast has now had time to rest, so we can slice into it and I can show you what it's like. I mean, it's just so lovely. And wrapped in the foil, it does stay warm for quite a long time. So if you've got 20 minutes still going on your air fryer to do your sides, your turkey will be lovely to serve alongside it. So let me show you what the turkey is like. So still in its foil, unwrap it. When I did one of these other ones, I didn't actually realise it had string on because my eyesight is not great, but this one has the string more obvious. So if you have a look and grab any of the string off before you start slicing. So there we go, lost the string, lost the foil tray, and now we can slice into it and I can show you how amazing M&S turkey is in the air fryer. Oh wow, look at that, it's just so juicy. I mean, they have this turkey often on yellow sticker after Christmas, so it's just perfect for grabbing some and then having some lovely turkey sandwiches with as well. It's just so moist and delicious. And I was asked recently, do you really need to cook the turkey on both sides? And the answer is yes, because it produces the most moist turkey ever. And if you normally suffer from a dry turkey, then you won't anymore if you use the air fryer. I mean, look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? It's just brilliant for a quick way to cook some turkey this Christmas time and beyond. And just look out for these 500 gram turkey joints because they're brilliant. So 500 grams, if you're in the US, a pound is 450 grams, so it's just over a pound's worth of turkey, and they're perfect. And if you look at that, they're perfect for 2 people at Christmas time, or they'd have quite easily done us when we were a family of 3 before Sophia and George came along. I think we would be happy with that portion. And if you don't want to live off turkey sandwiches forever after Christmas, it's a great size. So if I don't get the chance again, Merry Christmas from Sam and Dom. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.